Hi guys, as usual, I'm very sure that as of now, you know that we make money on social media with our smartphones, with our gadgets. In other words, you might be using a laptop, you might be using a PC, but let me put our gadgets, but majorly 90% we use our smartphones, right? Okay. So if we are using our smartphones, you're already aware about it. Are you still doubting in it? Hopefully you're not doubting in it. In today's video, I just want to give a motivation. I want to show you how we do it, because most people, when they hear you say let's make money on smartphone, easiest ways to make money with smartphone, easiest ways to make money online, they feel you just put a smartphone and you see the money is roaring. No, it's not like that. Making money online is like any other job. It's like any other job that you have to be dedicated on. But trust me, your smartphone, you can sit at home. It starts giving you income. The only problem I've seen that individuals, especially 21st century, the few, they know they can make it. And the majority, they want very easy things. And trust me, you'll not get something very easy. Come to think about it, I started 4 years back with fellow other people. When I say fellow people, that I won't mention right now, most of them dropped down. Why? Because they were not seeing money. They were not seeing it. They thought the moment you put your smartphone, you look in a camera, or you go and take a picture, you post, the next day you'll see money is there. No. You have to be dedicated. You have to be consistent. You have to know that there is money. First, you have to agree. You have to agree with your smartphone. You were like, smartphone, I have to get money from you. That is the first thing to do. Then from there, you start making strategies. I'll compare it with you who wants to make, for example, a boutique or an accessory shop. One, you first agree and like, there is money. Why didn't you take any other business? You took that business because you agreed and said, this one is better. I can do it. And I'm very sure all of us, we can do it. We can do making money online, because I've seen majority of us, my audience, you're always online 24/7. You're always on TikTok. You're always on Facebook. If you can be on TikTok 24/7, then it means you've agreed there is something there. It's not for fun. So anyways, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. I'm making this video. The time is just 8:52, and I'm going to edit. I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to post it like this. You are going to watch this video later. Special thanks to my top engagers. I really want to salute Maggie from Uganda, and I'm saluting Josie, Mom Joz, and I'm saluting Jacqueline Narongo. You guys, I don't always mention people's names, but you are worth it. You deserve the crown. You deserve everything. With social media, it's not about the views. It's about the engagement. And what type of engagement? The type of engagement matters. It's not about liking and you run. But these people have been so cool. So to you new subscribers, this is Immaculate Show, where we give tips of workable things, of things that people have been using, the few ones have been using and getting rich, getting money, getting the things of their dreams. But the majority still are like, no, we want the hard way. We want to put hardwares from nowhere to borrow money and do this. So this is the easiest way to make money. Now, as I told you that today, but don't forget, don't call me a financial consultant or look at me as a financial buoyant girl. No, I'm like any other person trying to put the things that are working for me slowly. You can start from $1, you find you're on $10, now you're aiming at 500, 700, 1,000. Meanwhile, other people who started before and who have been in the game are aiming at thousands and millions. Now, without doing ado, let's combine our brain now. If you're kind of a person that have been watching Immaculate Show, this is very simple. Focus. Because today is not going to remain today. It has to come tomorrow. So you're worried today that, no, when will this account grow? When will Facebook start monetizing me? When will YouTube monetize me? Then you're running for cheap, simple things. Because people you want where you can get views. Someone runs, I know, okay, let me reach here. You find you excited, you have 1,000. I know I have one of my friend. Don't get me wrong when you see this video. He's always excited of getting a lot of followers on TikTok and very many views on his videos on TikTok. Then my question is, how much did it give you? Here we are talking about money. If those views can be turned into money, go ahead and remain on that platform. Do what you can. But if you know you get views but you don't have money, that's a big error. So it's not yet too late. You can start today. You can overtake. Tomorrow you can grow your YouTube account. You can grow your Facebook account. Seriously, people who have made it have been consistent. So now let's come to think about it. If you've been thinking, I want to make money, have you made a video today? When I'm asking you, have you made a video today, I'm talking about majorly two platforms, because most of us don't earn on TikTok. Most of us, we don't earn on Instagram. I'm talking about Facebook and YouTube. How many posts have you made on Facebook? Do you know, people, today is 10th, is 11th as I make this video. On Facebook, people have already reached $1,000 within 10 days. And don't fight with your keyboard. You're still there. You're looking for views. It is 10th. As Immaculate is struggling for 500, someone has already, 500 for a month, someone has already made 10,000. So it is gradual process. How many videos did you do today? Or how many posts did you post today? With an intention of growing your account to make money, or with an intention of getting money if you're already monetized. This is what I always tell you. You guys who are not yet monetized, don't back down. We started like you. You're even better. You're starting better than us, because you can see a person you say, hey, Immaculate, I know her. She's from Uganda and she's monetized. You can go and scroll. It's not from the mass. This one, I'm talking to my people now. So where you are, don't bring grammar. Grammar will work, gadgets will work, editing will work, but what works most is, what are you giving people? That is one. What is your focus and your consistency? This is what matters. Grammar, By the way, someone will leave you grammar and go and watch another person. So guys, have you posted anything? If you've not posted anything, go start making posts, start making videos. Let's do this money. Let's meet tomorrow.